The 2012 Jeep Wrangler by Mopar. If you want to further improve your 2012 Jeep Wrangler, Mopar is now offering customers a list of 250 options to choose from. First, there is a new set of 17 inches wheels offered in silver, black or dark argent and priced at $259. The next step is to start updating the aspect of the exterior and the interior of your car. For that, Mopar is offering you a winch-capable steel bumper priced at $558, black tube side steps for $398, spare tire-mounted bike carrier $169, Uconnect Web $399, half-door kit $1,100, seat cover for $280, heavy-duty all-weather floor mat $48, door-sill guards $76, Trek top $450. Jeep Wrangler owners spend hundreds of dollars on Mopar accessories to further enhance the performance and appearance of their vehicle, said Pietro Gorlier, president and CEO of Mopar, Chrysler Group's service, parts and customer care brand. Unlike other aftermarket offerings, all Mopar parts and accessories are quality tested to meet the strict capability and durability requirements of Jeep.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.